Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayush Bharti, and I am from BCA PPU Batch 1, first year. And I am here today to explain the topic what is hardware and its example, and we'll see their applications. So, first is what is hardware. Hardware refers to the physical component of computer and other electronics devices. Basically, there are two types of hardware. First is external hardware, and second is internal hardware. External hardware includes um, a monitor, mouse, keyboard, printer, and internal hardware includes motherboard, hard drives, RAM. Well, there are lots of hardware, but being a lover kind of person, I have taken the example of joystick. So what is joystick? Joystick is an input device, and there is a handle like little handle which on the joystick which move around to control the things. And just like in video games and other devices, we have control the object from that handle. And there is also mentioned that a joystick is an input device used to control the movement of a cursor or object on a computer screen on a digital environment. It typically consists of a handle stick that can be tilted or moved in a various direction, and often includes buttons and additional functions. So now their applications of joystick. First is joystick in gaming. We all know that joystick in gaming is very common. We can control the object. We can control object, vehicles, and other gaming systems with the help of joystick. It can enhance our gaming experience and improve more control over the game. Second is in flight simulation. In flight simulation, joystick mimic the control of the aircraft that allows the user to feel like they are actually flying the real aircraft. And the third one is the robotics. We all know that joystick is very crucial in robotics. That helps the that helps the user to move the move the that helps the user to control the movement of drones, robotic arms, and other robotic devices. And the fourth one is industrial machineries. We all know that joystick come in various industrial machineries like cranes. With the help of joystick, we can control the movement and the function of the heavy duty machineries with ease. And the last one is medical equipments. Surgeons can use a robotic arm. Surgeons can use the joystick with to control the movement of robotic arms in surgeries that enhance the surgical capabilities. So that's all about joystick, hardware, and their applications. Thank you.